In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for a PDF, using a simple manual method to put your PDF inside a QR code. To start, open your browser and search for How to Create QR Code for PDF. Simple manual to make QR code with PDF inside. You can type that entire phrase into the search bar. Using this search phrase helps bring up online tools that are specifically geared toward turning a PDF into a QR code, instead of general QR generators that might not handle documents as smoothly. Once the results load, take a moment to scan the page. Near the top, you'll usually see some sponsored results. These are paid ads, but they're often from popular QR code generator sites that are designed to be easy for beginners. In this guide, we'll go ahead and click on one of those sponsored results. Look for a result that clearly mentions creating a QR code for a PDF or documents, and click that link to open the QR code generator in a new tab. When the site loads, you'll typically see options to create different types of QR codes, like for a website link, a text message, or a file. You want the option that allows you to upload or link to a PDF. From here, the basic idea is simple. You either upload your PDF directly or paste in a link to where your PDF is stored online, and the website will generate a QR code that points to that file. Before you move on, it's a good idea to check if the tool adds any limitations, like an expiration date or a maximum file size. If your PDF is large, you may want to compress it first so it uploads more quickly and scans faster when people access it. After you've chosen your PDF and confirmed the settings, you'll usually see a preview of your QR code. Download that image and save it somewhere you can easily find it later, like your desktop or a dedicated folder for your project. You can then add this QR code to flyers, posters, presentations, or even print it on product packaging. As a final tip, always test your QR code with your phone or tablet before sharing it widely. Just open your camera, scan the code, and make sure it opens the correct PDF and that the file loads properly. Once you've confirmed it works, you're all set and ready to use your new PDF QR code anywhere you need it.